Hi guys! So this video, gagawa ko ng smoothie. Meron akong dragon fruit, apple, lemon, ginger, chia seeds, and fresh milk. I choose dragon fruit kasi it's fats-free and rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and it has antioxidant properties contributes to immunity. So, it helps also to improve our digestive health and control blood sugar levels. At naglagay din ako ng isang apple kasi meron din siyang prebiotic effects and good for weight loss also. And naglagay din ako ng konting ginger and half of lemon, then I squeeze it kasi ang lemon ay nakatulong dito for weight loss and lower cholesterol and improve digestive health. Then add fresh milk. At pwede rin guys, if wala kayong fresh milk, you can add water. If meron kayong almond milk, so you can also add almond milk. It's better. Naglagay din ako ng chia seeds kasi high in quality protein siya. And it helps also to lose your weight. At ito na guys, it's ready to blend ang ating smoothie. By the way guys, hindi na ako nagdi-dinner. Ito lang iniinom ko. Kasi after my workout, gumagawa ko ng smoothie. So ito na iniinom ko every night. But not totally every night because if hindi ako makain ng vegetable salad, so smoothie na lang ginagawa ko. Yun lang. Masarap siya guys. Aside from the good health benefits, masarap siya. Okay guys, this is only for today's video. See you in my next video again and thank you for your watching and God bless you all. Bye bye.